You have scheduled a virtual visit with your clinician, and now it's time to test your computer's hardware in advance of your visit. To ensure the best visit experience, it is suggested that you download Google Chrome and make Chrome your default internet browser. If you do not have Google Chrome, go to google.com/Chrome to download and install the browser. Once Google Chrome is downloaded and installed, click on the Set as Default button. Now Google Chrome will be the default web browser for your computer. Now it's time to test your computer. This should be done well in advance of your appointment time. You should perform the tests on the computer you plan to use for your virtual visit. Open your appointment email. Do not delete this email until after your virtual visit. You will need this email when it is time for your visit. Click on Get Started to begin setting up your account and testing your computer's hardware. The first time you access your virtual visits account, you will be required to create a new password. Create a new password, confirm the password, and then click Change Password. To begin testing your computer's hardware, click on Test Your Computer. The first time that you test your computer, a program file needs to be downloaded. This program file is necessary to ensure that you and your doctor or clinician can see and hear each other. Click on Download. The program file downloads to your computer. Click on the downloaded program file to install the video software. Click the Close button after the test file has downloaded. Click Launch to begin testing your computer's hardware. A pop-up displays asking to open the test file. Click Open Telehealth Video. To begin testing your computer's hardware, click Start Test. The web camera is tested first. If your web camera is functioning, you'll see a self view. If you can see yourself on the screen, click Yes. At each of the test steps, if you click No, you can see a list of troubleshooting steps. Next, the computer's microphone is tested. Speak at a normal level to see if the green bars move on the screen. If the green bars move, the microphone is working properly. Click Yes. To test your computer's speakers, click the play button. Did you hear the sound? If so, click Yes. To test your internet connection, click Go. When the internet test is completed successfully, click Continue. Click Done to end your computer's hardware testing. Your computer is now prepared for your upcoming virtual visit. Click Log Out. "15 minutes prior to your scheduled appointment time, there are a few things you need to do to prepare for your visit. Make sure the speakers are turned on and that the volume is turned up. Open your email and access your inbox. Once again, open your appointment email. Click on Get Started to begin your virtual visit. The welcome screen displays for your upcoming appointment. This time, click Start Visit. Enter your email address and the password you chose previously. Click Log In. You may see a drop-down indicating that it's time for your appointment. Click Start Visit. Or click on the calendar icon to access your appointment. Click Start Visit to begin your virtual visit. On the Get Started screen, you'll be asked to enter a phone number at which you can be reached during the visit in case the sound quality is unreliable. Your doctor or clinician can then call you. You can add a family member or trusted caregiver to the visit by entering up to 4 email addresses. Click Continue. On Your Visit screen, optionally enter the purpose of your visit today. Your doctor or clinician will receive this information in advance of your visit. Check the I acknowledge receipt of this Notice of Privacy Practices box. These policies and agreements are the same that you're asked to sign during a visit to your doctor's office and are asked to renew annually. You can click the Notice of Privacy Practices link to view these terms. Click Continue. Next, you'll be asked permission for the video to start. Click Launch. A pop-up displays asking to open the video visit software test file. Click Open Telehealth Video. Confirm that you can see yourself on the screen and that the microphone is working. Click Continue.
Hi there, I'm Katie. Welcome.
You are directed to the virtual waiting room. You'll be greeted by a welcome video while you're waiting for your clinician.
Your office, or even when traveling.
Please do not click Cancel Visit. Doing so will cancel your appointment. You'll then need to call your doctor's office and schedule a new virtual visit. Once your clinician or doctor is ready, you'll be connected automatically. You can see yourself and your clinician on the screen once the visit starts. When you're finished visiting with your clinician, you can end the visit by clicking End Visit, or your clinician may end the virtual visit. Once the visit has ended, complete the survey and click Submit. On the Thank You screen, click Done to conclude the visit. If you have any technical difficulties accessing your Nuvance Health virtual visit, please call the Virtual Visits Help Desk at 833-433-5918.